What's up, you guys? It's Joseph here. So in today's video, I want to talk to you guys about what couch flipping is, how you can do it, and how people are making thousands of dollars a month just by flipping couches. Let's get started. Okay, so the first question is, what is couch flipping? Couch flipping is basically kind of what it sounds. So you go on websites like OfferUp, eBay, anywhere that people sell things, Facebook Marketplace, and find undervalued couches, purchase them, and sometimes even get them for free, clean them up, and then flip them for a profit. We're going to jump over to my computer and I'm going to show you guys a few examples of these couches that have potential to flip, and I'll show you guys how to find them and exactly what to look for when you're looking for a potential flip. Also guys, if this video gets 35 likes, I will do a couch flip myself and bring you guys along the journey to show you guys exactly how it's done. I'll take you guys kind of on a vlog style and go pick up the couch, show you guys how to clean it up, how to flip it, and share with you guys the profit and all that kind of information that you guys are interested in. So give this video a thumbs up. If we hit 35 likes on this video, I will flip a couch and bring you guys along. So let me show you guys some couches that we can potentially flip. So all you have to do is go to a website. I like OfferUp, so let's go with that for right now. Go here. And all you do is literally type in couch. And let's see what comes up around me. Let's see. Too quick. You want to look for something that looks like it has the potential to be cleaned up. For example, this I think would be a great purchase. It's free. All you have to do is go pick it up and it can be yours. So basically all this couch needs is a really good cleanup job and to take a better picture of it. These people took a picture of it on a curb, and the way I look at it is I wouldn't want to purchase this couch if it's sitting on somebody's curb. But if it's nice, cleaned up, sitting in a nice enclosed area, with nice pictures taken of it, I might consider it. So imagine picking this couch up for totally free, bring it to your home or office or wherever you're able to do some work on it, clean it up, make it look really nice, get all the stains out, do all that kind of thing, and then relist this couch. I guarantee you can sell this couch for at least $250, and that's at a minimum. Don't forget, you're picking this up for totally free, so you have very little overhead. It's just your time and your cleaning supplies that would cost you. And you can turn around and sell this thing for around 250 bucks, I believe. But go ahead and give this video a thumbs up so we get 35 likes, and I will bring you guys along and do something like this for you guys. Let's see another one. So that one was totally free, which is ideal because then you can keep more of the profit for yourself. Check out this other one. Again, totally free. I don't see anything wrong with that just by looking at these pictures. So the way to flip this couch, this exact couch, would be to go pick it up for totally free, clean it up, take nice good pictures of it, and then turn around and sell it on different places. So this is on sale for OfferUp. I would try and cross sell it, so I would put it on Facebook Marketplace and see what I would be able to get for it. But I think this is a great example. I just found two of them for free without doing a whole lot of research. All I did was go to OfferUp.com. They also have a mobile app that you guys can use. But I'm sitting at my computer, so that worked out pretty nicely. Let's see if there's anything else that has potential. Just kind of scrubbing through this real quick. Here we go. What is this? Another totally free one. Look at this. So again, look at the picture that they took. The lighting is terrible. It's got a bunch of pillows and blankets on it, which I would take off and really show what the couch looks like before trying to sell it. Clean up all those cushions, and yeah, I think this would easily sell for around $300. And the thing that I found interesting about this is people are not only turning this into a side hustle, but actually making a total living off this. There's a guy by the name of Ryan Pineda. I'll put a link to his channel in the description box below if you want to check it out. But he claims to have made $8,000 in 1 month just by flipping couches and doing exactly what I showed you guys, which I think is kind of crazy. At that point, it turns into more than a side hustle. People will actually turn this into a business and make $8,000 in 1 month with very little overhead. And if that were to become a business for you, you'd be able to buy something like an upholstery cleaning machine, and then also a pickup truck to be able to pick up these items, and whether you deliver them or pick up items, you'd be able to use the truck for something like that. But this is a great side hustle slash business idea that you guys can start. But I don't want you guys to wait on a good idea for the new year, because the new year is just a day. You're going to sleep and wake up and we're going to be in 2021 and nothing's really going to change. Now this is something that you can start doing right now, today. All you have to do is sign up with these free apps, OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace, that kind of thing, and find these couches, clean them up, and then sell them for a profit. But yeah, if we get 35 likes on this video, I will do one of these for you guys and show you guys how it's done, because personally I've never done one of these. I find it very interesting, and I think it's very lucrative if you were to follow up with it and do it consistently. I think you can make excellent money. But there it is, guys. That's exactly what couch flipping is. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you guys haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.